na odoro radhi kwa neko kufurudi niate Muungano wa athondeki a indo ni matabanitie giikaro ya gutetia na kumenerereia mirurungano rungu rwa gikundi kiao kia okoa uchumi ni maugite ati mihango yao na biara ciao na njira nene kurumirira mirurungano ino irathie na mbere guothe bururi-ini.
This is a statement from the Kenya Association of Manufacturers on the ongoing demonstrations. The Kenya Association of Manufacturers would like to express its concern over the ongoing protests and their impact in the country. We acknowledge that as per Article 37 of the Kenyan Constitution 2010 and in accordance with provisions of the Public Order Act, every person has the right peacefully and unarmed to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to public authorities. It is critical that this should be done while safeguarding every Kenyan and without interrupting operations or destruction of property. Considering this, we would like to state as follows. We are deeply concerned by the safety and well-being of Kenyans, our employees and customers during the ongoing protests. Regrettably, several people have lost their lives. We empathize with their families during these difficult times. Additionally, the protests have created an uncertainty and fear, making it quite challenging for employees to travel to work. The safety of consumers visiting business premises has been gravely jeopardized, further aggravating the already challenging situation. Suffice to note, business have not been spared either with reports of damages and loss of properties such as vehicles, offices, shops, infrastructure, and outlets. The ongoing protests have dealt a significant blow to the manufacturing sector. We share the pain of most of our members who have reported that numerous businesses have experienced disruptions, hindering their day-to-day operations.
Na tugithie na mbere na